C option is correct here. The megalithic culture brings us to the historical period in South India. The megaliths used as grave encircled by big pieces of stones. C option is correct here. Chinese pilgrim who visited India during Harshvardhana's period was, the name of that pilgrim was Han Sang. Chalukya king Pulkeshin II was defeated by Mahendravarman I. Greek-Roman art has found a place in Buddhist art. The Ajanta paintings belong to the Gupta period. D option is correct here. The Harappans were urban. The crop which was not known to Vedic people is barley. A option is correct here. The Rashtrakuta kingdom was founded by Dandi Durga, means Danti Durga. A option is correct here. The paintings in the Ajanta and Ellora caves are indicative of development of art under the Rashtrakutas. A option is correct here. Gupta dynasty was famous for art and architecture. A option is correct here. The last Buddhist king who was a great Sanskrit scholar and a writer was Harshvardhana. D option is correct here. Next question. Who built Brihdishwar temple at Tanjore? Brihdishwar temple at Tanjore was built by Rajaraj Chola. Who among the following foreigners was the first to visit India? The following foreigner who was the first to visit India was Megasthenes. B option is correct here. The third Buddhist council was patronized by Ashok. B option is correct here. Carving in famous Ajanta caves was started during the reign of the Satavahanas. B option is correct here. The official court language of Guptas was Sanskrit. D option is correct here. Which of the following option is math? The following option is match. The option which is matched is Khajuraho Chandels. D option is correct here. Next question. The most distinguished ruler of Chalukyan dynasty was Pulkeshin II. D option is correct here. Harshcharit was written by Banbhat. B option is correct here. The capital of Kanishka was Purushpura. A option is correct here. In which language were the Buddhist text Pitakas composed? Buddhist text Pitakas were composed in the language Pali. C option is correct here. Who was called India's Napoleon because of his victories? The person who called India's Napoleon because of his victories was Samudragupta. D option is correct here. Buddhism in Nepal was introduced during the reign of the Ashoka. B option is correct here. The Pallavas ruled from Kanchipuram. The Gandhara style of sculpture during the Kusan period is a combination of Indo-Greek style. The greatest Kushan leader who got converted to Buddhism was Kanishka. C option is correct here. The Gupta king who assumed the title of Vikramaditya was Chandragupta II. Which ruler murdered his father Bimbisar to ascend the throne? The name of the ruler was Ajatasattu, who murdered his father Bimbisar to ascend the throne. B option is correct here. Which ruler founded the famous Vikramshila University of Buddhist? So the ruler was Dharmapal. D option is correct here. A great astronomer and mathematician during the Gupta period was Aryabhatta. C option is correct here. Which of the following Gupta kings stopped the Huns from invading India? So Gupta king was Skandagupta. C option is correct here. Alexander and the army of Porus campaigned on the opposite banks of the river Jhelum. B option is correct here. Next question. Who were the first to issue gold coins in India? Kushans were the first to issue gold coins in India. Who among the following were the first to invade India? Arabs. C option is correct here. Next question. Who admits the following was a wife of Emperor Ashoka who influenced him? The wife of Ashoka who influenced him was Kuruvaki. D option is correct here. The famous Kailasa temple cut out of the solid rock at Ellora was built under the patronage of the Rashtrakutas. D option is correct here. Next question. Purushpura other name for Purushpura is other name for Peshawar. C option is correct here. Which of the following was the capital of Chola kings? The capital of Chola kings was Tanjore. B option is correct here. Tripitak is the religious book of Buddhist. B option is correct here. Which of the following materials was namely used in the manufacture of Harappan seals? So the material was terracotta. A option is correct here. The capital of Pallavas was Kanchi. B option is correct here. Who defeated Harshvardhan on the banks of Narmada? The Harshvardhan was defeated by Pulkeshin II on the banks of Narmada. B option is correct here. During whose reign did the Gandhara school of art blossom? Gandhara school of art blossomed during the reign of Kanishk. C option is correct here. Both Jainism and Buddhism had no faith in yajnas, salvation, caste system, and rituals. So Jainism and Buddhism had no faith in caste system. C option is correct here. Next question. The Gupta Shaka was founded by Chandragupta the first. A option is correct here. Next question. The language from which the term India is derived is Persian. C option is correct here. Next question. Vaishakh Purnima has a great significance because it was on this day. Because it was on the day when Buddha was born, Buddha got enlightened, and Buddha died. All of the above. D option is correct here. Next question. The staple food of the Vedic Aryans was milk and its products. B option is correct here. With which of the following centers of learning Chanakya, the famous teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, was associated? Chandragupta Maurya was associated with Takshashila. A option is correct here. Rath temple at Mahabalipuram were built in the reign of which Pallav ruler? It was built in the reign of the Pallav ruler Narasimhavarman first. B option is correct here. Which one of the following Chola kings conquered Ceylon means Singhal first? It was conquered by Rajaraja. B option is correct here. Most of the Chola temples were dedicated to Shiva. In the Gupta period, the largest numbers of coins were issued in gold. A option is correct here. The text which the kings used to collect from the people in Vedic period was called Bali. A option is correct here. Buddha preached his first sermon at Sarnath. B option is correct here. Charak was the famous court physician of Kanishk. D option is correct here. Great Stup at Sanchi is in Madhya Pradesh. B option is correct here. Which one of the following stages of the life of man in Aryan society in ascending order of age is correct? So the ascending order of the age is correct. Brahmacharya hai, Grihasth, Vanaprastha and Sannyas. A option is correct here. Harappa is situated on the bank of the river Ravi. B option is correct here. Who was the Chola king who brought Ganga from north to south? The king was Rajendra Chola. C option is correct. Which was the Chandragupta II? What was the Chandragupta II also known as? Chandragupta II also known as Vikramaditya. C option is correct here. That the Rigvedic Aryans were a pastoral people is borne out by the fact that they were borne out by. There are many references to the cow in Rigveda. Most of the wars were fought for the sake of cows. Gifts made to priests were usually cows and not land. All of the above. D option is correct here. The Aryans succeeded in their conflicts with pre-Aryan because they used chariots driven by horses. D option is correct here. The Chola kings were ruling over Tamil Nadu. A option is correct here. Coins made of metal first appeared in age of Buddha. C option is correct here. Arrange the following Magadhan dynasties in chronological order. So we should arrange. First will come Haryankas. After Haryankas, there will come Sisunagas. After Sisunagas, Nandas, and after Nandas, Mauryas. C option will be correct here. Next question. Which of the following is not the Triratna of Jainism? The thing that is not the Triratna of Jainism is right view. C option is correct here. Next question. Who among the following was pioneer of yoga? The pioneer of yoga was Patanjali. A option is correct here. The Greeks were driven out of India by They were driven out of India by Chandragupta Maurya. A option is correct here. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Mother of Mahavira was Jamali. C option is Mother of Mahavira was Trishala. B option is correct here. Next question. The Great Bath of Indus Valley Civilization is found at Mohenjo-daro. B option is correct here. Who was the court poet of Harshvardhan? Court poet of Harshvardhan was Bana. C option is correct here. Varamihir is an ancient astronomer. D option is correct here. Prince of Pilgrims was a name attributed to Hansang. B option is correct here. Who among the following was not a physician? The person who was not a physician was Charvak. C option is correct here. Kalinga War took place in the year 261 BC. A option is correct here. The coins of which of the following reveal their love for music? The coins of Guptas reveals their love for music. The year of accession of Kanishka to throne was 78 AD. B option is correct here. The coins of which of the following reveal their love for music? It was Guptas. Kalinga War took place in the year 261 BC. A option is correct here. The first grammarian of Sanskrit language was Panini. The option is correct here. The famous poet Kalidasa lived in the court of Chandragupta II. The option is correct here. Varamihir is an astronomer. A option is correct here. Which one of the following Vedas contains sacrificial formulae? So the Veda is Yajurveda. C option is correct here. When did the best productions of Gandhara sculpture appear? Best productions of Gandhara sculptures appeared during the period of Kushan. B option is correct here. The seashore temple at Mahabalipuram was built by Narsingh Varman first. B option is correct here. The caves of Ajanta and Ellora belonged to Buddhist. B option is correct here. Subject matter which Manusmriti deals with is related to law. C option is correct here. Name the temples in Indonesia where scenes from Ramayana and Mahabharata are depicted. The temples are Borobudur temples. C option is correct here. The Nalanda University was founded by Kumar Gupta. The religion which priest desire is cause for all suffering is Buddhism. A option is correct here. The Jain literature is known as Angas. Mention the center of Roman trade during the Sangam age. The center of Roman trade during the Sangam age was Musiri. The option is correct here. Which inscription mentions about the village administration under the Cholas? So the inscription is Uttar Merur. B option is correct here.